hide the storms behind my eyes. Every secret leaves a shadow. Every truth becomes disguise. Sometimes I stand among the laughter, yet feel a million miles away, wondering if they'd still know me, if they saw beneath the veil. There's a question I keep holding, like a flame inside the dark. Would they still reach for my hand if they knew me as I am? This heartbeat feels so real to me. These fears, these hopes, this gravity, every tear I've never shown, every place I've called my home. And if the world should turn away, I'll stand and fight for them anyway, because love is more than what we're made of. And I'd give everything for the ones I love. I know the weight of silent worry. I know the ache of being alone. I know how fragile dreams can shatter, how fear can settle in your bones. I carry doubts I cannot answer, questions drifting endlessly. Am I the person they believe in, or just who I pretend to be? Every day I walk a tightrope between belonging and goodbye, hoping no one sees the truth hidden behind my eyes. This heartbeat feels so real to me. These fears, these hopes, this gravity, every scar I've never earned, every lesson that I've learned. And if the world should turn away, I'll stand and fight for them anyway, because love is more than what we're made of. And I'd give everything for the ones I love. Maybe we're all searching for a place where we belong. Maybe every soul is built from pieces, trying to become strong. Maybe what defines us isn't where we came from, but who we choose to be. If danger comes, I'll stand before it. If darkness falls, I'll face the storm. If they never know my secret, it won't change what I've become. This heartbeat feels so real to me. These fears, these hopes, this gravity, every moment, every choice, every trembling, fragile voice. And if tomorrow takes my name, I'd still protect them just the same, because love is more than blood and bone. It's the promise that remains when you're standing all alone. I am more than all my fears, more than all the things I hide. And when the stars grow cold, I'll still be by your side.